moving forward, now we are going to learn comment faire la comparaison. Comment faire la comparaison des qualités, la comparaison des quantités et la comparaison des actions. I want to believe in our A1 classes, we have learned du plus que, du moins que, on dit aussi que. Okay, the formula for this is that we have to bring the noun first, that is the noun here, plus the verb être conjugated, plus plus ou moins or aussi, then the adjective. Then we have que and the noun that ends that we're trying to compare. For instance, we have the noun here, which is Pierre. We have the verb être conjugated with Pierre. Pierre est, then we have the plus, then the adjective, which is grand, then que, then Tony. So this means that Peter is bigger than Tony. Plus grand que. Pierre est plus grand que Tony. Peter is bigger than Tony. Now the second one, we have Tony est moins que Pierre. Tony is less bigger than Pierre. That means Tony is less bigger than Pierre. If we look at it very well, the second one is opposite of the first one. We have used plus, grand que, and moins grand que. Now the next one, the last one, which is Luke, est aussi grand que Tony. Aussi expresses équilibre. They are not bigger than one another. They are the same size. So this means Luke est aussi grand que Tony, means Luke is as big as Tony. Luke is as big as Tony. Now, I can say, for instance, we have this is the formula, non plus the verb être conjugated plus adjectif plus que plus noun. For instance, I can say je suis plus beau que mon frère. Now, if you look at this suis here was conjugated with the verb être. And we have our plus, then our adjective. Beau means handsome. Then que mon frère. This means I am more handsome than my brother. I am more handsome than my brother. Then if it was moins que, je suis moins beau que mon frère. This means I am less handsome than my brother. And if I'm using the aussi, I can say je suis aussi beau que mon frère. This means that I am as handsome as my brother. I am as handsome as my brother. Now that is that for comparaison de qualité. Qualities. We use adjective, the noun plus verb être plus 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 adjective plus que, and the other noun. Now let's move further to comparaison de quantité. Comparaison de quantité. Now, if you look at this here, we are trying to compare quantities here now. Quantities. While the first one has plus, moins, aussi, plus que, the second one has plus, moins, autant de, plus que. Autant de plus que. That means comparaison de quantité comparaison de quantité. We have the noun plus verb plus plus moins de autant de plus the verb plus another noun. Plus another noun. Now this gives us a noun here. For example, I'm giving us Pierre plus a verb. The verb is avoir. Pierre a then plus de voiture que Luke. Pierre a plus de voitures que Luke. This means Peter has more cars than Luke. Peter has more cars than Luke. We have the Pierre here as the noun. We have the verb. We have the plus de, and the item we are trying to quantify. Then the que. Then Luke. Pierre a plus de voitures que Luke. Now let's look at further examples. Here we have Tony a plus de travail que Luke. Tony a plus de travail que Luke. This means Tony has more of work than Luke. That we are trying to quantify the amount of work they all have. Tony a plus de travail que Luke. Then the second one we have Tony a moins de travail. Luke a moins de travail que Tony, which is the opposite of this. Tony a plus de travail que Luke. Luke a moins de travail que Tony. Luke has less of work than Tony. The first one says Tony has more of work than Luke. And the second one has Luke has less of work than Tony. Now the last one, which is autant. Autant means none is bigger than another. They are of the same quantity. Now we have Pierre a autant de travail que Luke. Peter has as much work as Luke. Peter a autant de travail que Luke. Peter has as much work than as Luke. Now please do not forget, the first one, comparaison des qualités. The second one, comparaison des quantités. While the first one is plus adjective plus que, the second one is plus de plus que. Plus de plus que. Now let's go ahead to the last one. Comparaison des actions. Comparer des actions. This is a little different from the first and second one. Now the formula for this, we have the noun first, then we have the verb, then we have the plus, moins or autant plus que directly. We have the plus, moins, autant plus que. Plus, moins, autant plus que, then plus the noun. Now look at this example. We have Tony travaille plus que Luc. Tony travaille plus que Luc. This means that Tony works more than Luke. Tony travaille plus que Luke. The second one, we have Luke travaille moins que Tony, which is also the opposite. Luke works less than Tony. Now look at it. Tony travaille plus que Luke. Tony works more than Luke. Then Luke works less than Tony. Now, what we are comparing here is the action they perform. The action they perform. Now, the last one we have Jean travaille autant que Luc. Jean travaille autant que Luc. We have Jean travaille This means that Jean works as much as Luke. Jean works as much as Luke. Now let me give you further examples. For instance, we are using at the verb. We are looking at the verb courir. Courir means to run. To run. Now imagine we have 3 athletes. We have Pierre, we have Jean, and we have Jacques, for instance. Now we can easily say Pierre, we have to conjugate the verb court. Pierre court plus que Jean. Peter runs more than Jean. Or we have Jean court moins que Jacques. Let's say, for instance, Peter runs less than Jacques. Now imagine Jacques and Pierre, they have the same pace when they run. We can say Jacques court autant que Pierre. We can say Jack runs as much as Pierre. Jack runs as much as Pierre. So here we have tried to compare qualité, quantité et comparaison des actions. Comparaison des qualités, comparaison des quantités et aussi comparaison des actions. Now, faites attention s'il vous plaît. When any of these modes of comparison, that is the plus, the moins, when any of them, when they have an article, that is when they carry an article, they are no more doing the job of a comparison. They are now superlative. For instance, when we have Pierre est le plus grand, and we have Jean est le moins grand. Pierre est le plus grand means Peter here is the biggest. Meaning we are not comparing him to any other person. While Jean est le moins grand means John here is the smallest. Now, on this note, let's quickly go to assignments that needs to be done so we can be very sure we all understood this particular lesson. Now, let's go to the last one, which is the assignment. Now, here we have testez-vous. Testez-vous. Observez le tableau et complétez. En France, on travaille dash dans les autres pays euros. Now, we have the chiffres here. C'est-à-dire les statistiques. Nous avons les statistiques ici. Donc, nous allons utiliser les statistiques pour répondre aux questions de devoir. We're going to use these statistics here to respond to the question we have here. Now, for instance, we have Espagne, we have la France, we have the Grande-Bretagne, and we have Italy. The statistics we are trying to compare are heures travaillées par an, that is hours of work per year, jours de congé par an, that is days of holidays per year, and salaire annuel salaire annuel moyen d'un cadre. That is the average annual salary in each of these countries. We are going to use this shift, these statistics, to respond to these questions. And please do not forget, please send your response, that is to your assignment, to eafnej at gmail.com. And thank you very much for today's class. I'll be looking forward to your assignment, and I hope to see you in the next class. Thank you.